In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial reports in QuickBooks, including the profit and loss report and the balance sheet. To get started, open QuickBooks and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks keeps the built-in reporting tools that help you review your business finances clearly and quickly. Once you're in the Reports section, go to the Standard Reports tab. This area includes the most commonly used reports, so it's a great place to begin if you want to generate essential financial statements without building anything from scratch. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. You can use this to quickly find the specific report you want. For example, if you need to review income and expenses, search for profit and loss. If you want a snapshot of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity, search for balance sheet. Using the search bar can save time, especially if you're working with several report options. After you find the report you need, click on it to run the report. QuickBooks will begin generating it for you automatically. Depending on the amount of data in the file, this may take a moment, but usually it loads pretty quickly. Once the report appears, take a look at the toolbar at the top. This is where you can adjust the report so it shows exactly what you need. You can change the report period to view a specific month, quarter, or year. You can also switch the accounting method, which is useful if you want to compare reports on a cash basis or an accrual basis. In addition, you can update the display columns to organize the information in a way that makes the report easier to read. If you need even more control, click the Customize button at the top right. This gives you additional options to fine-tune the report layout and details. Customizing can be helpful when you want the report to match a specific review process or presentation format. When you're done making your changes and the report looks the way you want, click Save to save it. This makes it easier to come back to the same report later without having to set everything up again. And that's it. That's how to create financial reports in QuickBooks using the profit and loss report or the balance sheet.